Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next market session. But first of all, like as usual, let's try to see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. As I said on the previous recommendation, if price form false breakout of this important resistance level around 1.1380, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. And your first target in this case will be around 1.1320. As you can see, price hit my first target here in this case. Another idea was in the pound USD. As I said, if price hold above important resistance level around 1.2750, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long trade. As you can see, price hit my first target here around 1.2820. Another idea, USD Canadian dollar. I said I'm pretty bullish in Canadian dollar, and when price, better say if price hold above 1.3420, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. First target will be around 1.35. As you can see, price hit my first target and going up more. Another idea was in gold. I said if price hold above 1720. It will be a nice opportunity to take a long, and first target will be around 17.35. As you can see, price hit my first target here in this case. Stocks, IMRN, IMRN Limited. I said if price hold below $20 per share level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. As you can see, price going. As you can see, price hit my first target around $14 per share. Here I said if price hold below 180, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, first target will be around 1.25. As you can see, price tried to hold below, but not hit my target, just hit my stop loss in this case. Another idea was in HWY. I said price stay in important consolidation between $52 per share and $48 per share. That's why I said if price hold above $52 per share, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, your first target will be around $53 per share, but unfortunately, the price not hold above this consolidation. That's why price not form entry points here in this case. 5 below company, I said I recommend you long these stocks because price try to bounce around important support level around $102 per share. And as you can see, price hit my first target yesterday. Day before yesterday, price hit my first target and then going down again. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, as you can see on the H1 chart, we can see how price with an impulsive movement from breakout of this consolidation. This is a pretty bearish signal. That's why we have to wait how price will react for this consolidation. Because right now price forms some sort of pullback until this consolidation. I mean, if price form fractal and going back from this consolidation, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1250. Another scenario, if price going and hold inside of this consolidation, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.3080. And the second target will be around 1.14. Another instrument is the pound USD. In the pound USD, if you look on a higher time frame like daily frame here, you can see how price tries to get a bounce from important support level around 1.26. If we go into the lower time frame like H1 time frame, here we can see how price tries to form false breakout of this level. This is a pretty bullish signal. That's why if price hold above 1.2640, this will be a nice opportunity to take a long. And in this case, the first target will be around 1.27. Aussie USD, and Aussie USD, the same picture like in Euro USD. Here we can see consolidation. Price was an impulsive from breakout of this consolidation. This is pretty bearish signal. That's why 70% of probability with price falling down again. But we have to wait for price form fractal near this level, this level 0.6895. If price form the fractal, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, first target will be 0.68 and second target is 0.67. 30% probability if price going inside this consolidation, hold inside this consolidation will be nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, first target will be around 0.70. In oil, I'm also pretty bearish in oil. As you can see, price filling this gap, and then form reversal model. Look on lower time frame, like in this case H1. Yeah, no. Better say H4 time frame. In this case, we have to wait for the price from pullback until $37 per contract. Then fractal will be a signal for taking short. If you open the short, the first target will be around 34. This is the first target, and 31.50 the second target in this case. Apple. Let's have a look on Apple. The big sell-off yesterday on the market was. That's why we have to wait how price will react for this important price zone around 320 and 325. If price get a bounce from this zone, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 350. If price with an impulsive from breakout of this price zone, pull back, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, first target will be around $300 per share. Facebook. In Facebook right now, price stay in important consolidation between 225 and 240. If price with an impulsive form breakout of 225 hold below this consolidation, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 220 and the second target will be around 215. This is 70%, 65 better say percent of probability, 35% of probability if price from break and going back again, better say for false breakout of this of support of this consolidation, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long trade. In this case, first target will be around 240. Another stocks, this is CLDX. Look on lower time frame, like a 15 time frame in this case, but it's better M5 time frame. Here we can see some sort of several important levels around $10 per share, around $8.50, and around $7 per share. If price hold below $8.50, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around $7 per share, and the second target will be around $6 per share. Well, I think this recommendation will be helpful for you, and I hope this recommendation helps to make money on next trading session. See you in the next video, guys.